Jai Gurudev. So I'm Vinayak Bhatt, and this video is about my upcoming Nakshatra Mandala course. Now, what is this Nakshatra Mandala? So, Nakshatra Mandala is my upcoming course, which we are going to start on by 31st of July next month. And this course is based on the Nakshatras. Now, there are many courses are already available on the internet and on different platforms, already teaching the Nakshatra, the knowledge of Nakshatra. Then what is the difference between those kind of courses and this particular Nakshatra Mandala course? So now, when we talk about Nakshatra, the knowledge of Nakshatra that is available on the internet, okay, those are based on the storytelling principles. Okay, like what is the story of different nakshatras, their deities. Okay, so they used to make predictions depending on those stories. Okay, so techniques and all these things are coming from sort of hidden stories. Okay, but in our course, we will learn the actual knowledge of nakshatra that is given in our classical books. Okay, so we study jyotish principles from BPHS, Brihad Parashara, Ura Shastra, or Brihad Jatak. Okay, or we have a list of books, okay, from where we learn all these things. Okay, but when we talk about nakshatra, so we don't have any dedicated book that speak on nakshatra. Okay, so if you see the BPHs or any other classical books, you will see there's a one chapter which gives simple instructions about the number of nakshatras, their sequence, and their deities. Okay, but how to use them practically, that is not given in any of class book, any of classical books. Yes, there are some books, but those books are not easily available and not translated yet. Okay, so in my course, I have selected eight different chakras. Okay, eight different chakra, nakshatra chakra. These chakras are based on the nakshatras, and these are pure knowledge of nakshatra given by our rishis that we ignored already. Okay, so nobody is using them. So when we talk about nakshatra, so we know about Sarvotobadra Chakra. Sarvotobadra Chakra is widely available and everybody is learning Sarvotobadra Chakra and we know the application of Sarvotobadra Chakra. Okay, so now you can imagine, like Sarvotobadra Chakra, there are many other chakras are available in classical books that we don't know. Okay, so in this course, I will teach almost eight plus different chakras from different classical books like Narpati Jayacharya. Narpati Jayacharya is a book based on the Swara Shastra, okay, which contains numbers of different chakras. Okay, so from that book, I'm covering some chakras. Okay, and there are many other classical books also. Like for example, Jatak Varnam, okay, Brihas Samhita, Manisagari, etc. So I am picking the applications of nakshatra from this book. If you go and read in these books, you will find there are numbers of applications are given on the nakshatras. Okay, but we don't know about these things. Okay, so I will teach you from very basics how to use these chakras and how to apply them in our horoscope. We can use them in prashna. We can use them to make predictions on the mundane astrology also. Okay, so all these things I'm going to cover in my course. So my course is not about the storytelling, it's not about the philosophies of nakshatras, but pure application of nakshatra-based chakras. So these are 8 days. These are 10 days class. In each 2 days, we will learn about the basics, okay, basics of nakshatra. I will clear some misconceptions about nakshatra, and then we will learn about each nakshatra chakra in detail. So these are 10 days journeys. So you all are invited to attend this Nakshatra Mandala course. This course will be in English. Okay. So every details, including the schedule, fee structure, everything is given in description section. You can watch it and give your feedback and join this Nakshatra Mandala course as soon as possible because right now we are having early bird offer. So you will get this course in discounted price and after that the price is going to increase. Okay. So I am welcoming you all to join this course. Thank you. Join me.